Her Excellency, sorry, please sit down. Sorry. Her Excellency Ms. Takaichi Sanae, Prime Minister of Japan, Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of the Republic of Bharat, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I welcome you all to this ceremony where we will witness exchange of several memorandum of cooperations. These documents reflect the wide-ranging, multifaceted bilateral cooperation as part of the India-Japan Special Strategic and Global Partnership. We will begin with the exchange of 4 documents pertaining to economic and energy security. These documents include 1. MOC between the Geological Survey of India and the Japan Organization for Metals and Energy Security in the field of geology and mineral exploration. 2. The Memorandum of Cooperation on Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices sectors between the Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers India, and the Health Policy Bureau, Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare of Japan. 3. The Memorandum of Cooperation between Ministry of Heavy Industries, India, and the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry of Japan in the field of batteries. And lastly, the Memorandum of Cooperation between Ministry of Cooperation and Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, India, and Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry of Japan on the expansion of biogas and organic fertilizer production and utilization for rural prosperity, energy security, and sustainable mobility. These 4 documents will be exchanged by His Excellency Mr. Ono Keiichi, Ambassador of Japan to India, and Shri Vikram Misri, Foreign Secretary of India. Next, we have the Memorandum of Cooperation between India AI Mission and METI, Japan. This document will be exchanged by His Excellency Mr. Ono Keiichi, Ambassador of Japan to India, and Ms. Nagma Muhammad Malik, Ambassador of India to Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the exchange ceremony. I would like to inform that Prime Minister Modi will be addressing the media in Hindi. Members of the audience may use the audio device provided to listen to the translation in English and Japanese languages. I now request the spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs to conduct the rest of the proceedings.
Namaskar, good afternoon. Your Excellency Ms. Takaichi Sanae, Prime Minister of Japan, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Ministers, members of both delegations, and friends from the media. We will now have the press statements by the 2 leaders. May I request Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, to give his remarks to the media.
Your Excellency,
Your Excellency,
और मेरी छोटी बहन
and my younger sister,
प्रधानमंत्री
Prime Minister
ताकाइची जी,
Takaichi,
दोनों देशों के डेलीगेट्स,
delegates from both countries,
मीडिया के साथियों,
friends from the media,
नमस्कार,
Namaskar,
कोनिचिवा।
Konnichiwa.
इंडिया जापान एनुअल समिट
It
के लिए
gives me immense pleasure
प्रधानमंत्री
welcome
ताकाइची
Prime
का
Minister
भारत में
Takaichi on her
अपनी
first
पहली यात्रा
visit to
पर
India for
स्वागत करते
the
हुए
India-Japan
मुझे बहुत
annual
खुशी हो रही
summit.
है। वे जापान की
She
पहली
is the first
महिला प्रधानमंत्री भी है
woman Prime Minister of
और
Japan, and not only that,
एक
she
दूरदर्शी
is
और
also
लोकप्रिय
a
नेता भी
visionary
है।
and popular.
इतना ही नहीं,
And it's not just that,
जापान
she is
नारा
from
प्रीफेक्चर से
Nara
आती है,
Prefecture in Japan,
जो भारत
which
जापान की
is an important center
साझा
for
बौद्ध
India
विरासत
and
का
Japan's shared
एक बहुत
Buddhist
महत्वपूर्ण केंद्र
heritage.
है। फ्रेंड,
Friends,
कुछ ही दिन पहले
just a few days ago
G7 समिट
at
में मैंने
the
कहा था
G7 summit,
कि
I said
वैश्विक उथल-पुथल
that
के
in
आज
the
के
current
माहौल में
times of global upheaval,
आपसी विश्वास
mutual trust
हमारा
is
सबसे बड़ा
our biggest
स्ट्रेटेजिक एसेट
strategic
है।
asset.
और मुझे गर्व
And
है
I'm proud
कि भारत
that
जापान की साझेदारी
India-Japan
इस
partnership
कसौटी पर
has
पूरी तरह खरी
fully
उतरती
stood
है।
the test of time in this
पिछले
regard.
कई दशकों में
Over the last several decades,
ऑटोमोटिव से
from
लेकर
automotives
Electronics
to
तक
electronics,
जापान ने
by
भारत
playing
की
an
ग्रोथ
integral
स्टोरी का
role in India's growth
अहम
story,
हिस्सेदार बनकर
Japan has
दोस्ती
accumulated
और विश्वास
an
की
invaluable wealth
एक अमूल्य
of
पूंजी
goodwill
बनाई है।
and trust.
और आज
And today,
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ताकाइची
through
की
Prime
यात्रा
Minister
से
Takaichi's visit to
हम
India,
अपनी
we
स्पेशल
are
स्ट्रेटेजी
starting a new
and
chapter
global partnership
in our
के
special,
नए
strategic,
अध्याय की
and
शुरुआत
global
कर रहे हैं।
partnership.
फ्रेंड,
Friends,
आज भारत और
today,
जापान
India and Japan
दोनों ही
both
विश्व
are
की
among
सबसे बड़ी
the
इकोनॉमीज में से
5
है।
largest economies in the world.
एक फ्री,
A free,
प्रॉस्परस
prosperous,
और रूल्स
and
बेस्ड
rules-based
इंडो
Indo-Pacific
हमारी
is
साझा
our shared
प्राथमिकता है।
priority.
क्षेत्र की
As
सबसे बड़ी
The largest
डेमोक्रेटिक
democratic
और
and
मार्केट
market-based economies
economies
in the region,
आज हमने
we
कई
have
महत्वपूर्ण
taken
पहल
several
की हैं।
important initiatives today.
इनसे
Through
हम मिलकर
these initiatives,
पूरे क्षेत्र में
together, we will
शांति,
lead the way
स्थिरता
for peace,
और प्रगति का बार
stability,
प्रशस्त
and
करेंगे।
progress in the entire
Friend,
region. Friends,
प्रधानमंत्री ताकाइची
both Prime Minister
और मेरा
Takaichi
विश्वास
and
है
I believe
टेक्नोलॉजी
that
पार्टनरशिप
technology partnership
हमारे
will
सहयोग
be
का
the
सबसे मजबूत
strongest
स्तंभ
pillar
बनेगी।
of India-Japan
इसी
cooperation.
विजन को साकार
In
करने के
order
लिए
to realize this
आज
vision, today
एआई के क्षेत्र में
we
हमने जॉइंट
have
स्टेटमेंट भी जारी किया
released
है।
a joint statement in the
भारतीय
area of
एआई
AI as
इकोसिस्टम
well.
के कई प्रमुख संस्थानों
Several
में भी
leading institutions
आज
of India's
अपने
AI
जापानी
ecosystem
partner के साथ
also have signed
agreements
agreements with their Japanese partners.
जापान की प्रिसीजन टेक्नोलॉजी
The combination
और
of
भारत की
Japan's
software क्षमता,
precision technology
इसका संगम
and India's software
वैश्विक एआई
capabilities
विकास को नई गति
will give
और
new
शक्ति देगा।
impetus and strength to the
Defense के
development
क्षेत्र
of
में आज
AI
हमने
worldwide. In
भारत
the
और
area
जापान
of
के
defense,
पहले
today
co-development
we have
project पर
signed an
agreement किया।
agreement on the first India-Japan
नेवल रेडियो
co-development
एंटेना
project.
यूनिकॉर्न का यह
This
प्रोजेक्ट
naval radio antenna
हमारे defense
project
technology
will
partnership
open
में
a new chapter
नया अध्याय
in our defense technology partnership.
अब हम ऐसी डिफेंस
And now
टेक्नोलॉजीज को साथ
we will
मिलकर
jointly
विकसित
develop
करेंगे
defense technologies
regional
that
peace,
strengthen regional peace,
maritime security,
maritime security,
और रूल
and
बेस्ड ऑर्डर को
a
मजबूत करेंगे।
rules-based order.
फार्मा,
Through the agreements
Medical devices
signed today
और
in the
biotech में
areas of pharma,
आज किए
medical
गए agreement
devices,
से हम
and biotech,
ग्लोबल
we
हेल्थ
will
सिक्योरिटी में
also
भी
contribute
योगदान देंगे।
to global health security
भारत का स्केल
by bringing together
और जापान
India's
की
scale
quality को
and
जोड़कर
Japanese quality.
हम
We will
affordable,
work towards
reliable
providing affordable,
और advanced health
reliable,
solutions
and advanced health
दुनिया तक
solutions
पहुंचाने के
to
लिए
the
काम
entire
करेंगे।
world.
फ्रेंड,
Friends,
भारत जापान
India-Japan
इन्वेस्टमेंट
investment
पार्टनरशिप
partnership
निरंतर
is
सुदृढ़ हो रही है।
continuously getting stronger.
पिछले एक वर्ष में करीब
Last year,
120 नए बिजनेस एग्रीमेंट
over
हुए
1 year itself, over 100
जिनसे
new business agreements
भारत
were
में
signed, which
$10
will
billion
lead
से
to
अधिक
over $10 billion
जापानी investment
of
आएगा।
Japanese investment in
आज
India.
फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज एजेंसी
The
के बीच
agreement signed today
Agreement
between
से
financial
capital
services
और
agencies
investment flows
will make capital
और सुगम
and
होंगे।
investment flows
हमारा
easier.
लक्ष्य स्पष्ट
Our
है
goal is clear.
अगले 10
It
वर्षों
is to bring in
से
investments
भारत
to the
में
tune of 10
10
trillion
trillion yen
yen from
investment
Japan to
और
India
भारत में
over the next 10
जापानी
years
कंपनी की
and
संख्या
to
दोगुनी
double the number of Japanese
भारत में
companies
लगातार हो
present
रहे
in
रिफॉर्म
India.
से
And to this end,
ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस
we
बढ़ा
will
है
continue to improve the
जापान की
ease of
कंपनीज भी इसका
doing
लाभ उठा
business
सकती हैं।
for Japanese
Friend,
companies in India.
आज के
Japanese companies
अनिश्चितता
can
भरे
make the
युग में
most of this. Friends,
भारत
in
और
today's
जापान
world
दोनों
full of uncertainties,
economic security
both India and Japan
और
understand
energy
the
security का
importance
महत्व
of
अच्छी तरह
economic
समझते हैं।
security and energy security
इसी
very
दिशा में
well,
आज हमने
and therefore
इकोनॉमिक
we
सिक्योरिटी
have
के लिए
prepared
एक
a
जॉइंट रोड मैप
joint
तैयार किया
roadmap today for economic
इसके माध्यम
security.
से
This will
semiconductor,
enable us to
quantum
strengthen
और advanced
supply
materials
chain
जैसे strategic
resilience
क्षेत्रों
in
में
strategic sectors
supply
such as
chain resilience को मजबूत
semiconductors, quantum technologies, and
Energy
advanced
security के क्षेत्र
materials.
में भी
In the area of
आज हमने
energy
कई
security as
महत्वपूर्ण
well,
निर्णय लिए।
we have taken several
India
important
Japan
decisions
Biogas
today.
Initiative
Through
के
the India
माध्यम
Japan
से
Biogas
हमें
Initiative,
भारत में
we will
1000
set up 1,000
बायोगैस और ऑर्गेनिक
biogas
फर्टिलाइजर
and
प्लांट
organic
लगाने में
fertilizer
सहायता
plants in
मिलेगी।
India.
इससे हमारी
This
गोवर्धन
will give
पहल
a fresh
और मजबूत
impetus
होगी।
to our Govardhan
भारत
initiative,
के गांवों में
and this will
Sustainability,
also promote sustainability, prosperity,
और rural
and
livelihood
rural
को नई
livelihoods
शक्ति मिलेगी।
across India's
Oil shock
villages.
जैसी परिस्थितियों
In
से
order
निपटने
to
के लिए
address
आज
situations
हमने
such as oil shock,
एनर्जी रेजिलियंस पर
we
भी
have also
एक
taken an
महत्वपूर्ण
important
पहल की।
initiative today on
साथ ही
energy resilience.
battery,
At the same time,
hydrogen,
our cooperation
और
in
nuclear
batteries,
energy में
green
हमारा
hydrogen,
सहयोग
and nuclear
विश्व के
energy
clean
will
energy
make
future में
an
महत्वपूर्ण
important
योगदान
contribution to a clean energy
भारत और
future
जापान
for the
मिलकर
world. Together,
economic
India and
security को
Japan
shared security
will transform
और energy
economic
transition
security
को shared
into
opportunity
shared
के रूप में
security
हम
and
लेते
the
हैं,
energy
उसको आगे बढ़ाने
transition
की दिशा
into
में हम
shared
काम करेंगे, उसको
opportunities.
बदलेंगे।
We will work to
Friend,
take
आज
this
हमने
forward. Friends,
भारत जापान
today
नेक्स्ट जनरेशन
we
मोबिलिटी
have also prepared an India-Japan Next Generation
automotive sector
Mobility
में हमारी
Partnership
success story
Framework. This will
Shipbuilding,
enable us to
aviation,
replicate our
logistics
success
sector
story
को
in the
बढ़ाएंगे।
automotive sector,
Friend,
in sectors such
हमारे
as
संबंधों की
shipbuilding,
बड़ी ताकत
aviation, and logistics
हमारी
as
people
well.
to people
Friends, a
ties
big strength of
हम
our
talent,
relations
mobility,
is our
skilling
people-to-people
और
ties.
technical program
We are increasing
इसके अवसर भी
opportunities
बढ़ा
for
रहे हैं।
talent mobility, skilling,
और
and
दोनों देशों के
technical
बीच
internship
research,
programs.
education और startup
And we are
सहयोग
also strengthening
सुदृढ़
between
कर रहे
both
हैं।
countries cooperation
हमें
in the
बहुत
area of
खुशी है
research and education
कि
and
अगले वर्ष हम
cooperation
भारत,
between
जापान
our startups.
diplomatic relations की
We are very pleased that
75th
next year
anniversary मनाने
we
जा
are
रहे हैं।
going to celebrate the
महत्वपूर्ण
75th
अवसर पर हम
anniversary of diplomatic
culture,
relations
tourism
between India
और
and
creating
Japan.
economy
On this
सहयोग से
important occasion,
आपसी
we
connect
will
और
further
सौहार्द
strengthen
प्रगाढ़
our mutual connect through
Your
cooperation in culture,
भारत
tourism,
और जापान
and
की
in the
economic
creative
complementary
economy. Your Excellency, the
सांस्कृतिक
economies
मूल्यों
of
से लेकर
India and Japan
आधुनिक
are
technology
complementary. From
हमारी
our
सोच
shared
और
cultural
approach
values to
समानता
our outlook on modern
और सबसे
technology,
बड़ा,
our
हमारे
thinking and
संबंधों की भी
approach are also
अटूट आपसी
closely
विश्वास
aligned.
की।
And what is most
मुझे पूरा
important is
विश्वास
that
है
our relations are
कि
based
हमारी
on the
यह विशेष
unbreakable
साझेदारी
foundation
सशक्त और
of
समृद्ध
mutual
जापान के आपके
trust.
विजन,
Let us,
विकसित
on the
भारत के हमारे
basis
संकल्प
of this special
और विश्व की
synergy,
प्रगति को
together
नई
achieve
ऊंचाइयों
your
तक ले
vision
जाएं।
of a strong and prosperous
एक
Japan,
सशक्त और
our
समृद्ध
resolve
जापान का आपका विजन
to build a
विकसित
developed
भारत का
India
हमारा संकल्प
and our shared
पूरे विश्व की
aspiration
प्रगति को मिलकर
for
साकार करें।
global progress.
मैं फिर से एक बार
Once again,
आपका हृदय से बहुत-बहुत स्वागत करता हूं।
I wish you a
आपका
very warm
बहुत-बहुत
welcome.
धन्यवाद।
Thank you
Arigato
very much.
gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Her Excellency Ms. Takaichi Sanai, Prime Minister of Japan, to give her remarks to the media.
皆様こんにちは。
Ladies and gentlemen,
Namaskar.
good afternoon and
ま
namaskar.
ずは私の
First and
インド訪問に
foremost,
際し
I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Prime Minister Modi and the people of India for your warm hospitality on the occasion of my visit to your country. You called me a beautiful younger sister, Prime Minister Modi. But at the small meeting before the big meeting, we confirmed that we are on the same page and developed this relationship as brother and sister. Japan and India must leverage our respective strength to become stronger and more prosperous together. In the midst of international affairs in disarray, the establishment of such intercomplementary cooperative relationship has become ever more important. From such perspective, as Prime Minister Modi and I engaged in discussions over diverse issues, we again were reminded of the many goals we share. And we confirmed to place the following 3 points at the center of our cooperation. First, to deepen the strategic cooperation between Japan and India. Our two countries share the vision on the profile of international order we should establish under the current international situation. I recently announced the updated FOIP, Free and Open Indo-Pacific, which focuses on self-reliance and resilience to realize FOIP. On the other hand, Prime Minister Modi positions the ocean as a shared space that supports regional stability and growth and is promoting the Mahasagar, the Great Ocean Initiative, for countries across the Indian Ocean to defend their sovereignty and the sea through their own efforts, which is perfectly aligned with FOIP. Thus, we agreed to deepen the strategic cooperation between Japan and India to achieve such common goals. Expansion of maritime security cooperation is especially important for regional peace and stability. Taking the opportunity of our visit, a destroyer of Japan's Maritime Self-Defense Force and an Indian Navy vessel are planning to engage in joint exercise. We will enhance exercises in the Indian Ocean, promote naval maintenance, repair, and overhaul cooperation, and strengthen equipment cooperation under the Make in India framework. In order to deepen such cooperation, I have instructed the relevant departments to hold discussions and to organize the next Japan-India 2+2 before the end of the year. Second, promotion of Japan-India cooperation in the area of economic security and energy security. As both countries face challenges such as economic weaponization and non-market practices, we need to urgently build resilience in our critical minerals supply chains. Further, in the area of energy security impacted by the Middle East situation, both Japan and India bear the responsibility to provide for region-wide energy security, as I presented in Power Asia. That is why we have released a document for public and private sectors, a joint statement to engage in concrete action for economic security cooperation. Under the Power Asia initiative, we will launch a bilateral dialogue to strengthen India's petroleum stockpiling system. Japan also supports India's membership of the IEA. In the area of energy transition, India has set a goal of leveraging cooperatives to secure energy from cow feces to build 1,000 biogas plants. In order to contribute to its achievement, we are launching the Japan-India Cooperative Biogas for Growth, or CBG initiative. That was introduced by Prime Minister Modi.
The third is co-creation of economic growth of both India and Japan through investment and innovation collaboration. This is economic growth. I am committed to realizing a strong economy and aiming to enhance Japan's supply capability and technological capabilities through investment in 17 strategic areas. Prime Minister Modi launched Viksit Bharat, a national goal to become a developed nation by 2047, and is strongly driving India's growth. In this way, we share the goal of making our country strong and prosperous through investments in the future. Strongly supporting our two countries to achieve such common goals are the business community representatives who are participating in the delegation from Japan. During this visit, around 120 cooperation documents between Indian and Japanese companies, including 2 trillion yen scale investment, were announced. It is a desire to forge a path toward future in India and Japan through unified efforts of public and private sectors. Next year marks the 75th anniversary of diplomatic relations, and I would like to seize this opportunity to further bring closer together the people of our two countries. Under the India-Japan Special Strategic Global Partnership, as trusted partners that share strategic direction, together with my bigger brother, Prime Minister Modi, I will lead the India-Japan relations going forward to a new phase. I look forward to welcoming Prime Minister Modi in Japan next time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the close of this session. Thank you very much for your presence.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now World.